most people will have the urge of ignoring that letter or just throwing it out because they've already filed their tax return and they don't want to think about taxes anymore. Here's what can happen if you do that. First thing is that you may be owing additional taxes because of this. And if you don't actually amend your tax return and file it, then the IRS will eventually send you a letter with penalties and interest. That means whatever you would have owed anyways, now that's going to be higher. And the second thing is you may be missing out on a refund because if it's a W-2 that has tax withholdings on it, you can potentially get that money back. So you want to include that document by amending your tax return. One thing about amending your tax return, you cannot do it until your original tax return has been processed. That means you have to already get your tax refund from the first filing before you do an amendment, or you have to wait about 21 days if it's just a regular return where you're not getting a refund. After that original tax return has processed, then you can try to amend your tax return to see what the new results are by adding this tax document. And if you end up owing more money by filing an amendment, then you can always do a payment plan, and that way you don't have to pay all of it at once.